Persuni transgender u intersex ingħataw id-dritt li fuq id-dokumenti uffiċjali li nħarġu minn Identity Malta bħal passaporti jew karti tal-identità ma jkollhomx jażlu mara jew raġel iżda jiġu markati bl-ittra X. Dan fuq deċiżjoni tal-Kabinett tal-Ministri bil-Ministru għad-Dialogu Soċjali u Drittijiet Ċivili Helena Dalli tkellmet dwar din il-bidla f'konferenza tal-Presidenza tal-Kunsill tal-Unjoni Ewropea dwar l-ugwaljanza għal persuni LGBTIQ.
Aħna tkellimna mal-nies konċernati, tkellimna mal-familji tagħhom u mill-esperjenzi ta' x'jgħaddu minnu x'jista' jagħmel il-Gvern biex jitaffi mid-diffikultajiet li jgħaddu minnhom nies transgender u nies intersex.
Għal din il-konferenza attendew ministri barranin u persuni li jirrappreżentaw istituzzjonijiet u organizzazzjonijiet Ewropej li jaħdmu favur id-drittijiet tal-bniedem, partikolarment id-drittijiet ċivili. Il-kol baqgħu impressjonati kif pajjiż żgħir bħal Malta f'sentejn biss irnexxielu introduċi numru ta' drittijiet importanti għal persuni LGBTIQ. Pajjiżna jista' jkun ta' mudell għal pajjiżi Ewropej fil-qasam ta' drittijiet ċivili.
Well, we have seen Malta evolving fantastically. Who would have imagined that a couple of years back Malta would be the leader in Europe and for many also in the world on trans and intersex rights? We have seen fantastic laws coming into place, but much more importantly, we have seen a change in attitude. People know much more about trans people. It's much more common. It's much more common knowledge. And we have seen a very strong political leadership to make sure that trans people have a space in society.
And very often other countries ask me, but how Malta managed to do such a progress within 2 years' time? A small country, rather conservative, but at this time, Malta is an example for other member states. So the progress is tremendous. And the Council of Europe is promoting Malta, exporting the Malta example.
Il-Ministru Helena Dalli qalet li grazzi għal viżjoni tal-Gvern 169 koppja tal-istess sess daħlu f'Unjoni Ċivili, filwaqt li koppja oħra adottat u hemm 5 koppja oħra din bil-proċess biex ikunu jistgħu jaddottaw. Dawn il-bidliet pajjiżi oħra jibqgħu jispiraw ruħhom minn Malta.
Well, of course, the situation in Malta is really inspiring because I came from Lithuania, a small country from other side of Europe, and our country is really Catholic, like in Malta. And I have to say that in my daily work, I usually use Malta as the best example how fast the human rights might be improved.